As you walk into your CISSP exam, this will be one of the first things you put on the whiteboard. Why? Because all risk management questions can come down to this. I will risk it and even say that any question of the CISSP can be brought to this one slide. If I'm to choose one slide that will represent everything that I know about CISSP, this will be it. Because questions can start with impact or probability. They can start with the threat inside the probability. They can start with the risk and talk about risk materialization, and I need to figure out now the probability and impact. They can talk about quantitative impact, which means a quantitative risk. And this is something we will practice soon enough today. They can talk about the need for physical controls with the absence of those controls in that risk environment. And I will need to figure out the risk itself and how those controls can minimize the vulnerability or can close part of the vulnerabilities and then minimize the probability, hence minimize the risk level. You see where I'm going with this? Every question of the CISSP can be brought to this one slide and the risk formula. What it says is very simple. Every risk is built of two variables, two components, impact on one side and probability on the other. If you want to quantify them, we multiply impact and probability, and that's how we get to the risk level.